Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Have a very special announcement today. Myself and my good buddy Chris over at Chris's House of Plastics are having a buddy build together. That's right, the two houses, Chris's House of Plastic and JD's House of Hobbies, are going to be building a new kit. I think everybody has seen this, the Comet Pro Touring kit that just came out by Moebius. Looking forward to building this. Yeah, I know that it's got some problems, but that's not going to be a issue for me because I'm going to be sanding off the names on the back of the car on the recorder panels. We were both lucky. Neither one of our hoods were warped. We both have plans. I'm kind of going with a maybe a Shelby look, I think, with it. I got a picture of a Shelby Mustang that I found on the internet. See how Chris goes. We've both been chatting back and forth. Bob dropping some ideas on each other and see how things are. But should be fun. It's going to start officially on Friday, the 5th. But no actual end date. We're going to finish when we get finished because we're both pretty slow builders, and we have other things that we're trying to finish. I still have a lot of other group builds that I entered that I haven't finished yet. So I'll get to this one sometime soon. I'm still haven't even touched my entry for the Bootlegger's Ball. Right now it's like 45 degrees in the garage, and I came home from work. I got off work. I worked like 9.5 hours today, so I'm a little bit tired, but I'm okay. Looking forward to this. Should be fun. This will be my first buddy build with anybody. I haven't usually I just stick to group builds, but this should be fun. Looking forward to what Chris puts together, and I'm going to assume that this is going to be a really fun project, especially since there's no deadline. We'll just build as we build because, like I said, we're both admittedly, we talked, and we're both pretty slow builders, but that's okay. This is for fun, and I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.